Hey guys, have you heard of web development, web design, web programming? Guess what? You are in luck. This video could be the best 5 minutes of your day today. So watch this video to the end and thank me later.
Lesson 4. 3 ways of building a website.
There are three primary approaches to building a website, each catering to different needs and skill levels. First, programming from scratch. This is the first method used by mainly web developers who are actual programmers, and not only is it time intensive, but then it is skill intensive because this method involves writing the code manually using languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and back-end languages such as PHP or Python, and then MySQL, and so on and so forth. While this provides complete control over the design and functionality, it requires advanced skill and it is time intensive. The second way of building a website is by customizing pre-made PHP scripts. Developers can use pre-built scripts like WordPress themes or PHP templates to speed up the process. This approach is more efficient but limits customization to the framework provided by the script. Then it is advisable to procure these PHP scripts and install and customize them, because what matters most is the result and not the means of getting the result. Provided you deliver the work to your clients, then the means through which you build the website, whether from programming, it doesn't really matter. The third way of building websites, you can also build a website using block builders. We have different block builders like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. These block builders allow users to design websites through drag and drop interfaces, more like graphic design with Canva. This is the easiest and fastest way to build a site, but may lack advanced flexibility.
Thanks for watching this video. If you'd want to be part of our tech journey, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.